So we're up to the stage now where we need to cut our tiles to fit into our final spots along the floor. We've used the full tiles to go over the main area, so we've just got to fill those final gaps. So you can either use a tile cutter or a tile saw. We've got a tile saw here today. Tile saw is going to give us a much more neater and cleaner finish on the edge of the tile that we cut. Tile saw comes in pieces. The stand is separate to the table itself. So you just set the stand up, table on top. So this table saw has a drip tray underneath which holds the water. A little pump drops down in the water which circulates water through the system. When the saw is in operation, helps for two reasons. Helps keep the blade cool and then also helps suppress the dust. Even though it's the water's going to help suppress the dust, we are still just going to use a dust mask just in case, along with our regular safety gear. So we've measured the tile, we've marked out the exact size we're going to need. So just to operate the saw, it's a case of dropping the blade down into that slot and then push the tile with the tray. As you can see, it's on rollers. It'll slide back nice and straight and give you that nice clean cut. So there you go, a finished tile, beautiful clean edge, equivalent of the factory made other edges, so it's going to look just as neat.
Kennards make your job easy.